y'all. I just want to make sure we are recording, and we are. So we just did some Brahmins. And I wanted to separate Brahmin from these others. This is called Verona Hill. And I do like these bags. These are specialty bags. I think one day these will be a very recognized brand. Again, it's Verona Hill. And they're really unusual, like specialty little bags. So let me just show you the ones I've ordered. I ordered 4, and this is 2 of the 4. I have not opened it yet. As y'all can see, it's my first time. But I think it's going to be cute. That is cute. Y'all look. Okay, so it's just a cute little handbag. Right, please ignore my fat belly. But for the right outfit, especially, I feel like this is more of a fall bag.
That is so hip.
It is hip because of the caramel and the black. But when you look at this bag, you know, it's got this little fold over. And it's got enough room. Oh, and it also has a little shoulder strap. It's
That's so classic. That's so contemporary.
Isn't it?
That is so you.
Tell everybody hello, Lance, that you wanted to insert yourself.
Well, hi.
Love him.
Get all the purses you want, babe.
Okay, all right, thank you, darling. So here you could put like a little card case, and you could have, you know, your phone and a couple of items, but that's it. I mean, it is a small bag. It has nothing, no pocket on the back for your phone. In this case, I found I carry my phone. I really do. I don't put it in my purse. I've always got it separate. So I'm going to keep this. I think it's a really cute bag. And I will mark it below so that if y'all would like to say, well, what's the cost? Where do you get it from? Blah, blah, blah. I'll do a link below. I promise. Okay, so here's the second one. These are much less expensive bags, just so you know. But they are kind of specialty. So here's the other one. These are both black bags, and then I have another 2 that are coming that are more ornate in nature. Here we go. Oh, this is too cute. Oh my gosh, look at the bulbous little thing that sits on the bottom. It sits almost like a hat. Oh, and look at the gold handle. Y'all, that is cute. Sold. That is a cute little bag. Again, it's kind of like date night or going to lunch with your girlfriends. It's not very big. I'm going to tell you. Can I get it to pop? There it goes. Okay, get out. Does it have a strap? Yes, I feel like there's a strap down in here. There it is. Oh, not only is there a strap, there's a strap, but on the back there's a little pouch. That's cute because you can use that for your wallet. You could use it in other bags too. But as you look in, there's obviously no pockets or anything like that. It's a magnetic closure, so do your magnet and you're done. And this isn't one you could even really slip away. Yes, you can. You can slip it over your wrist. I wouldn't. It's one of those you just carry. And it's a weird shape. Look how it's down here and then it goes up. But then underneath, it's got this gold. I'm wearing pink, so this is messing y'all up. Let me get out of the picture. Look, is that the cutest? I think that's really cute, y'all. I'm definitely keeping it. Okay, so that's the 4 bags. Out of all of them, I have to tell you, I'm definitely going to keep the Songbird. And then this again is the Caroline Songbird. There's also a small Caroline, but I wanted the bigger one to get the full effect of having the Songbird print. This blue and white is just a classic, almost like a classic toile. It's $3.65 at Brahmin. This is not a bad price for that bag. It is a larger bag. This is a smaller bag. I showed y'all here is a Cali that I got in pecan. This is a small Cali. I want you to see the difference. And this is in their new color, which also gives you a new dust bag, not available in any other color. I think that's interesting, so it kind of makes it special. And again, it's called the Empower Tansy. Tangsy. 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 I'm putting it next to my face so you can see the size. It's a very small size. What I don't know is, should I do this in another color? Because I do have similar colors. But I love pinks. I love magenta and pink and fuchsia. This is kind of somewhere in the middle. It is not magenta. I showed y'all. This is magenta. But look at the size difference, which might make it a good selection piece. What do y'all think? Comment below and tell me if you would keep this one. I already can tell you, regardless of what you say, I'm going to keep the songbird. And I love this. You know, I've had this. This is part of my collection. Brahmin collection. Okay. Uh-oh. This little guy fell down. This is my original Brahmin, y'all. Looky here. Original Brahmin that my husband got me. And he was in his painter whites and said, give her whatever she wants. And I said, oh, honey, you don't understand. It's a $300 bag. He's like, give her whatever she wants. And the lady goes, quit teasing her, to him. And it was me. I was like, oh, I don't know if we should spend it. Now look at me. I'm spending it. Never mind. All right, so looky there. So I have to put this back. It goes right here. In its position. Anyway, that's it, y'all. Please forgive me. I don't look that great. I've got my little hair in a ponytail. And it's been kind of a day, y'all. Anyway, I love y'all. Where are we? I have no idea how much extra time I have. I will tell you something I'm going to sell. I really loved this color, but I'm learning more and more that there's certain brands that I am going to go ahead and trade out. This is the Marc Jacobs, the tote bag, and it's a great, the only thing is, and the reason I'm thinking about not doing it, it's a great size. Look at the size. And the one that I'm going to keep is not that same color. It's more blush, and it's much smaller, which I do like that, but it's a different color. I mean, it's a different color altogether. This is more blush, this is more sand. Which one would you keep? Sand or blush? Let me know your thoughts. Also, please go to my other channel, Beth Buchanan Pure Bible, because I am actually trying to get caught up on going through the Bible with you. Today is Good Friday. I'm going to upload this before all the other ones that I've forgotten to, not forgotten, I haven't had time to upload and blah, blah, blah. But it's Good Friday. What's good? I remember as a young person, I used to say, as a young girl, I used to say, what's good about Good Friday? Jesus was sacrificed and it was gruesome. But it's good for us. Because he saved us from our sin. Y'all, if y'all don't know Jesus Christ, can I please encourage you? I know you're thinking, oh gosh, here she's going. Please don't get religious. I'm not religious. I'm trying to tell you about the truth because the end is coming. It may or may not be in our lifetime. But the bottom line is, when your lifetime's up, when my lifetime's up, that's when the decision has to have been made. So please, I encourage you to consider Jesus Christ. If you want to talk about it, we can talk here, because I'm not going to ever not say we can talk about it here. But also remember, I have a channel called Beth Buchanan Pure Bible, where we talk about all kind of Bible studies. We're walking through the Bible in a year. Please comment below if you're following me over there. We're going to have, by the way, a spring giveaway. Part of it's going to be both channels. Love you guys. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye. Wait. Is this so spring? Bye.